What's going on, you guys? It's your girl Miss Lady, and I am finally back with another video. So I recently been making my wigs on a sewing machine. Lots and lots of practice, still trying to get this practice going, but for the most part, as you can see, your girl doing her thing. Making wigs is a lot faster this way. I'm slowly getting the hang of it. So this is my highlighted unit. If you guys want to see how I create this color, thumbs up and comment below, and I'll try to get you a video to show you how I do that. Now this is what I really want to show you guys. These are my mini lace kits. They come with lace scissors and my elastic head wrap melt belt, which is going to help lay your lace and help secure your lace when you are sleeping, showering, or working out. So I'm going to show you guys how I install my wig using my mini lace kits. So with the mini lace kits, if you order it with a wig or bundles, you do get a free mini gots to be gel, and that is what I'm going to be using in the video to lay my lace down. So here are the lace scissors, and they're really small, and they're going to get up and really get that hairline neat. There's the gots to be, and here is the melt belt. Now this is an elastic head wrap that's going to really secure your lace down. Now what I'm doing here is doing a layer of the gots to be. I really just did one layer. I should have used alcohol to clean my hairline since I do have makeup on, but your girl was in a rush, so we just gonna make it do what it do. Go ahead and get a little tacky and lay your lace down into the gel. Very simple, very beginner friendly. You can't go wrong, honestly. So now we're gonna go ahead and add the melt belt, and that's going to go ahead and melt that lace into the skin. And I like to use the melt belt before I cut my lace as well as after I cut my lace. So that's what we're doing here, is just really getting that thing good in there. And look at that, baby. You see that hairline? Girl, and the lace not even cut off that thing. That thing is laid to the gods. Stop playing. A melt belt is really what you need. If nothing else, it's going to really do it for you, I promise. Now we're going to go ahead and use these lace scissors. Like I said, they're very small. You can get real close up to that hairline. Make sure you're doing a zigzag motion, and you're going to get a bomb hairline every time. Now, I said I should have cleaned it with the alcohol, girl. So I'm going to go ahead and try to fix the problem, because you want to clean up the excess gel, as well as if you do have any makeup or whatever on, go ahead and clean it up. And like I said, I do like to reapply the melt belt after I cut the lace as well, because that's what's going to give that finishing look. I'm not really a baby hair person. If you are a baby hair person, this is the time that you would apply your baby hairs, but your girl don't got to do no baby hairs, because when I tell you this thing be laid, I'm even gonna say nothing, because you can see it right here. You can see it right here. It's laid. No baby hairs, no glue, just some gots to be in this melt belt, my lace scissors. That is what this lace kit is giving. Very beginner friendly, very natural. That is what it's giving. So if you are interested in these lace kits, make sure to go to the website, OutrageousInches.com. They will be available on there, as well as if you're interested in this unit. This is my Tyra unit. She's not really available at the moment, but I may do some exclusive orders if you hit your girl up. She will be with my spring collection though. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys soon with a new one. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload. All right, your girl out.